viewers, welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press the icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewer, in last video I gave information how to import your paper wallet, your private key. So I hope you properly understand. So if you have not watched that video, so please go to my channel and watch that video because that video is very informative for you. Sometimes you need to import your wallet, so you must take the knowledge about your private key and also your paper wallet. So viewers, in this video I am giving information how to withdraw amount from your Dogecoin online wallet because I already gave information about how to deposit. So this video is only for educational purpose. I have not balanced any my account, but if you use same scenario or same method, then you can easily withdraw your amount from your Dogecoin online wallet. So how can you do? This is so simple and easy. So please watch this video till end. This video is going to be informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So now I'm going to open my Dogecoin online wallet because today we are going to use the method of how to withdraw money from your Dogecoin wallet to any other wallet or any exchange. So you can see here Dogechain.info is open in front of me. First I need to log in my account. So I have click on it. For the login, you can see here there is shown my ID of my wallet. This is not for deposit use, and also please keep in your mind, don't use this information for your personal use because this video is only for educational purpose. Okay, so now I'm going to enter my password here because I need to withdraw amount from my Dogecoin online wallet. So I have entered my password here, so just going to click on login. Now my wallet is decrypting. And you can see here, yes, my online wallet is open in front of me, and this is my wallet interface. And if you have balance on your wallet, so there will be shown, but this time I have not balance, but I will give you method how can you withdraw. So if you use same method from your or Dogecoin online wallet, so you can easily transfer fund from your Dogecoin wallet to any other exchange or any wallet. Okay, let's suppose you have balance in your this wallet 10,000, okay, and you want to transfer fund from this wallet to other wallet or any other exchange. So how can you do? This is so simple. You just simple go to the first of all send. You just simple click on send. After that, use the form below to send coin to another address. First you need to paste here or type here your destination or your recipient address. So where will you get your address? So let's suppose I want to withdraw or send money from my Dogecoin online wallet to Atomic wallet. So going to open my Atomic wallet because I want to get my recipient address. This is my Atomic wallet. I have opened, just going to enter my password here because I need to get the recipient address. So I have clicked on open wallet. You can see here my wallet is open in front of me, Atomic wallet. So I need to search the Dogecoin recipient address where I want to get the money. Therefore also you can use the same scenario with your exchange. First you need to log in your exchange. After that you search the coin Dogecoin, then get the recipient address. So first I need to search the Dogecoin. You can see here Dogecoin is open in front of me. I need to click on it, and you can see here there's two buttons available. First is that receive and second is send. So I need to deposit on my this Dogecoin address in Atomic wallet. So I need click on receive and get the recipient address. This is my recipient address. This is my recipient address. And if you want to get same recipient address at your mobile, and you can see here there is a QR code, you just simple go to the Google Play Store, and after that you just type the QR code scanner and download the application. After that, when you will open your application, so your mobile camera will be open and you can easily scan the QR code and you will get accurate wallet ID in your mobile. So now I'm going to copy this wallet ID. So I have copy. Now I'm going to open again my Dogecoin online wallet, because today we are using the method how can we transfer fund or send money from Dogecoin to other wallet. So just need to paste here. Okay, you can see here there is shown green, means my Dogecoin wallet is 100% correct. If I have paste wrongly, you can see here, please specify valid recipient address. So you must also cross check before sending any amount in this wallet or your exchange. You must cross check first two digits and last two digits. Otherwise, your fund will be lost. You can see here the first two digits that DH and last two digits that LK. So I'm going to again cross check my wallet address is correct. First two digits that DH and last is LK. I have successfully right here or paste here my wallet address. So let's suppose if I have 10,000 Dogecoin in my wallet, so I am going to write here 10,000. Okay, and I want to send all money from my Dogecoin online wallet to other wallet. So I type here 10,000. If I want to 10,000, so network fees is only one Dogecoin. This is so less fee because this time Dogecoin price is almost 6 cent. So if I want to send 10,000 Dogecoin, so I will pay only one Dogecoin. When you enter your all information correctly here, your address means destination address or recipient address. After that, your amount, how much you want to send money, and then you can see here there is the your network fees or your sending fees. After that, you just simply click on send money, and within a 1 second, your transaction will be transact from your Dogecoin online wallet, and your transaction will be shown in this portion and also shown the status and also amount. First, after in a 1 minute, the status will be shown here in the proceeding, and after 2 or 3 or 5 minutes, the status will be confirmed. Then the amount will be successfully received in your desired your recipient address. Like in my Atomic wallet, successfully I will be received after 5 to 10 minutes. It only depend on your or Dogecoin blockchain network. Okay. I hope you properly understand how to send the money from your Dogecoin online wallet to any other wallet or any other exchange. Okay. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. You can get the information about this website from this website: Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, Newcoin, Litecoin. And if you are going to click on Altcoin, you can see here I already make the many videos about Exodus, Digibyte, Coinbase, Bitcoin Diamond, Jax Wallet, Binance, Electrum, Namcoin, VeChain, Trust Wallet, Tronlink Pro, Guarda Wallet, Coinomi Wallet, Green Address Wallet, Blockchain. And if you want to get the information about let's suppose Electrum or Binance, so just simple click on that tab. First, you need to go to Google and type, write the crypto wallets info. After that, this website open in front of you, and you click on any time which is you want to get the information. Like I want to get the information about Binance. You can see here how to change primary email from Binance account, how to reset Binance 2FA, how to reset password of Binance, how to active anti-phishing code on Binance account, how to transfer fund from exchange, and how to exchange crypto in Binance account. I already make the many videos about cryptocurrency wallet. So if you back up me, so I will make more video about new coin of cryptocurrency wallet. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.